Hello students, we are going to start our syllabus of computer science, fundamentals of computer for class 11th and 12th. Computer is an electronic machine that can store data and manipulate data. That means a device that can store and manipulate. Manipulate means any kind of operation that can perform, that is considered as a computer. A device that can store and manipulate data, that is considered as a computer. And we can define like a device that can perform any kind of operation is called computer. Some people given the full form of computer, that is commonly operated machine, particularly used in technological and educational research. There are two terms that play important role in computer. First is data. Data is raw data and unorganized fact. And information after the processing, the data it converts into the information. Information means meaningful and organized fact. Firstly, we give the data to the computer, we supply data to the computer, then the computer processes the data, and after the processing it gives the output, and that output is considered as a information. There are two main components of the computer. First is hardware and software. So firstly we learn about the hardware. Hardware, the part of the computer we can touch and feel. The physically part of the computer we can touch and feel are called hardware. And these all are categorized in some units like input unit, output unit, CPU, memory unit and other devices. Input unit, the devices with the help we can give the instructions to the computer are considered as an input device. For example, keyboard, mouse, mic, scanner. These all are help us to give the instruction to the computer, and we can define the devices with the help of we can supply the data to the computer are called input device or input unit. Next is output unit. Those devices which help us to get the result are called output units or output devices. For example, printer, projector and monitor. Next is memory unit. It helps to store data and information. We use hard disk, we use SD card to store data. Okay, now next is CPU, that is central processing unit. It is used to process our data. It is basically used to perform all kinds of the operation in the computer. There are other hardware devices also in the computer like the motherboard, SMPS, BDU and other devices. We learn after some time. Okay, and thank you so much.